Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet pickles. First, select firm, fresh pickling cucumbers, about 4 pounds, and slice them into 1/4 inch rounds or spears. Next, prepare your pickling liquid by combining 4 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 tablespoon of pickling salt in a large pot. Don't forget to add your favorite spices, such as 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of celery seeds, for that classic sweet pickle flavor. Once your cucumbers are sliced, it's crucial to crisp them up. Place the cucumber slices in a large bowl with ice water and let them soak for at least 30 minutes. This step helps maintain their crunchiness. While they're soaking, sterilize your canning jars and lids. Submerge them in boiling water for 10 minutes to ensure they are completely clean and ready for your delicious pickles. Now, bring your pickling liquid to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Carefully pack the crisp cucumber slices into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. This space is important for proper sealing. Pour the hot pickling liquid over the cucumbers, making sure they are completely covered. Remove any air bubbles by gently tapping the jars. After filling, process your jars in a boiling water bath for 15 minutes to create a vacuum seal. Once processed, let the jars cool completely and check for a proper seal. Store your sweet pickles in a cool, dark place for at least 3 weeks to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. They'll be perfect for sandwiches or as a tasty snack. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade sweet pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.